Say hi, Boom Boom.
Let him go and see what he does.
Say hi, Boom Boom. Say hi. Say hi.
Let's see, just see if he'll stay right there.
Hi, Boom Boom.
Move your big, there you go.
Hey, Boom Boom. One another. There you go. There you go.
Boomerang, squirrel.
Boomer for short.
And it's April the 15th, 2002. Tax day. Snickers, hush Snickers. Hush Snickers.
It's tough having a dog for a big brother.
Facing this way. There you go.
My fur collar.
Mm-hmm. That was good. Do that again. There's Groucho Marx. Oop, he's okay. Let him climb. There you go. Face me this way so I can see him. Oop. Oop. Let me get a picture. There you go. Knock him right. Oop.
Smile, Boom Boom. Smile. Show those squirrel teeth.
That's close enough. That's close enough. You're too close. You're getting him out of focus.
Show those squirrel teeth. Give him one of those big boomer smiles. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, good, Jerry.
I've always wanted a coonskin cat, but this is as close as I'll ever get.
Let's let go of him and see if he'll stay. Whoop. Yeah, he's coming down. There we go. Hey, Boomer. Well, there we go.
Kissy, kissy. No, no, don't jump.
He's not.
Don't jump. That's a zipper, and you better not chew it. No, don't jump. It's too far. Too far for a little squirrel. You're a baby. You're just a baby. He has to investigate everything. Just love those ears.